Are you afraid of resin printing and think it is too hard to master? You need the Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. This little beast is packed with some serious upgrades. First off, the 9K resolution. That means sharper details and smoother surfaces on all your prints. But it doesn't stop there. With a tilt-release innovation boasting a blazing fast speed of up to 150 mm/h, you can print more in less time. Perfect for those big projects or just impatient people like me. And check this out, a larger build volume. Bigger prints, more possibilities. Plus, its revolutionary tilt-release technology enables swift model peeling from the release film and keeps everything running smoothly, reducing failures. The user-friendly interface, self-check, and automatic leveling makes it plug-and-play, a breeze to operate, even if you're new to 3D printing. And the best part? It's still super affordable at $269.99. So is the Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra worth it? Absolutely. And oh, I haven't even scratched the surface of the many features it has, such as Wi-Fi cluster printing. It's a game changer for both beginners and pros. Hit that like button if you're excited about the Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome 3D printing content. Catch you in the next one.